Hi, I'm Matt. Citing a book in MLA format is really simple, but there might be a few considerations you need to make depending on where you got the book from. First, let's take a look at how to make a basic citation reference for a book in MLA. To cite a book in MLA, you'll need the following information: the author's name, the title of the book, the publisher's name, and the year the book was published. Most, if not all of this information should be listed on either the title page or the copyright page at the front of the book. Once we've got all of our information, we can build our reference. You'll start by listing the author's last name, followed by a comma, and their first name. If the book has two authors, list them in the same order they appear in the book and separate the names with "and." Remember that the author's name should be in last name, first name order, while the second author's name should be in first name, last name order. If there are three or more authors, just list the first author's name, followed by a comma and et al., which is Latin for "and others." In any case, follow this with a period. Next, we'll list the title of the book. Make sure to italicize the title and capitalize it in headline style if it's a work in English. If the book is written in a language other than English, place the title in sentence style format. Follow this with a period. Now, list the name of the publisher, followed by a comma, and the year of publication. Don't forget the period at the end and the hanging indent. And that's a basic book reference in MLA. But there might be a few more rules you need to take into consideration. If you found the book you were citing on a website or a database, you need to include that information in your citation. Simply add the name of the website in italics, as well as the URL to the end of the reference. Separate the URL from the website name with a comma and leave the HTTPS part off of the URL. End the reference with a period. If the book is an ebook, put the name of the device you read the book on just after the title of the book. Then add ED period to indicate that this is an e-reader edition of the book. If the book was translated from another language or it was edited, you need to credit these contributors. After the title, write translated by or edited by, and then the name of the translator or editor. Finally, if you are only referencing a particular chapter from a book, you'll need to add a couple things to your citation reference. First, before the title of the book, write the title of the chapter that you are referencing in quotation marks. Don't forget to use a period at the end of the title. Then, after the publication year, write the page numbers for the chapter that you are referencing. Remember to use a comma and the letters PP to separate the page numbers from the publication year. If the chapter or section sits on just one page, use only one P before the page number. While there are a lot of extra rules, the structure of the basic citation generally remains the same. But if you still need some help, try using the EasyBib plagiarism checker. It'll find text that may need to be cited and help you make citations that are top-notch. Thanks for watching.